Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joshua, and I'm going to be showing us how we can use this site and make money on our phones. You don't have to stress yourself, and I'm going to be showing you proof on what I've done. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. Now, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get this kind of videos when I bring them out. So without much further ado, let's go straight into the video. I don't want it to be lengthy, so I'm just going to make it as simple as possible. All right, so on this site you have different parameters. It's called fire faucet .win. This site you have the quick start auto faucet. I'm going to be showing you what it means. This side you can check your balance. You can see my balance. These are the ones I've mined. Okay, these are the ones I've mined. You can see my balance right here. And these are the faucets that they have: Dodge, Dash, Tron, Nano, Moneros, Zcash, and Digibytes. You can see, and you can see the minimum. They tell you the minimum you can withdraw 2.5. Minimum here is 4. Minimum for Zcash and minimum for Tron is $4. And you can see my balance right here already. So I mean, it's pretty simple. And if you don't understand this video, you can actually watch it again so you can understand. All right, it's very easy. That's for the balance right here, this particular icon. Okay, that's what this way it brings you to this particular side. Okay, so next you can actually withdraw or exchange any token. I'm going to be showing you what it means. Okay, let me go to the main page again. This is the main page. Okay, this is my balance right here, 2,444 coins. Okay, these are what I have here. You can convert it. That's where you see this exchange. When you come right here, when you come right here, you see exchange. This exchange, okay, is the same thing as that conversion. Okay, so let me just go back. So once I click on convert, it brings me right here. I can actually convert everything, choose the crypto I want. Maybe I want Doge, and this is the amount of Doge I'll be getting. Okay, so and then I do that. These are the ones I've done before. This is my history, conversion history. You can see these are the ones I've done. Okay, look at the time. These are the ones I've done before. Okay, let me go back to that exchange. I think it's quite different from this exchange. Okay, you can exchange. Maybe you have a particular coin that has more. Let me select. Let me take Dash for instance. You can see my Dash. Let me say max. Okay, it's showing me red because I can't actually do this. And maybe I want to convert it to Ethereum. This is what I'll be getting in return, and they're not going to charge you anything. And I just hit on the exchange. All right. So let me do this. Let me check. I think I have more on Digibytes. You can see it has changed. Okay, so I think that's what the conversion is all about, and there's no fee, and you can withdraw straight to your wallet. I haven't withdrawn yet. I'm going to do that very soon. Okay, these are the total coins that they have, about 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, about 13 of them. That's what they have. Okay, so that's for this icon. That's what it shows you. Now, this icon is the offer walls. Okay, these are the offer walls. You have the Bit Labs, the CPX research. You have Bullfish, but I used to go to Bittico tax a lot because Bittico is very easy. You can see it gives you 240 ACPs, and then you just click on watch, and this is another one. There's another 240. This is another one. This is another 240. So they are very high. Okay, and you claim that one for the day. The next day you go back and claim the same thing, because usually BitLabs, they tell you they don't have there's no you can see this, try again later all the time. Or you come to this one, CPX, they usually don't have, you can see. Or you come to Bullfish, they usually don't have. So I mean, but Bitcoin always have something for you to do. You can see that. Okay, so that's for this icon. You can check the leadership board and see who is ranking, and then you can see your rank. This is where I fall, 5,000. I'm currently on 5,000. Now you can check your rank activity right here. You can see daily rank, your activity points, total claims of the day, I've claimed some already. I was assuming I had some, I would have. Okay, because there's currently no tax for me to do. I've claimed all the tax I want to do. So usually when you do so, it will show you the number of claims you have done for that day and the number of short links you have visited. Okay, these short links, you just click on it and it brings you right here. So just in case you don't understand anything I'm saying, you can actually rewatch the video and try and understand and then try and do the same thing for yourself. Okay, so that's it. Let me go back to the main page. So how do I withdraw? Okay, now there's something, this site has something very amazing. It's called auto faucet. What it means is that all this your balance you see right here, this 2,447, all of them, they'll be converted to the respective coins that you have chosen right here. You can see it say choose currency to start. So these are the ones I've chosen. I chose USDT, TRX, Nano, XRM, Zcash. These are the ones you can decide to choose all if you want, or you can decide to choose maybe one or two. Okay, but how does it work? So by the time you select the coins, the faucet you want, all you need to do is click on auto faucet. So once you do that, now you can see this is my balance, 2,444. 2,447. Okay, that's my balance. Now once you select, look at the coins I've chosen right here. These are the ones I've chosen right here. You can change it anytime. Just click on change and you can change it anytime, but I don't want to change it, so let me just go back. Okay, and it's the timer starts again from the beginning. So once it does that, then the timer starts, and then whatever you have in your balance here will be used to give you tokens for each of these coins you selected. Okay, you can decide to increase your boost, your payout boost. They have 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. I chose 2x. Okay, so but you can decide to choose any one you want. Once you do that, you come back to this icon and then it starts counting again from the start. Just select everything you want and then you start. And this is your referral link in case you want to refer people. You can always find it here under this quick start auto faucet. You copy it and share it with your friends or on the platforms that you are using. And once you get that, you're going to get 20% of their earnings across firewalls, videos, survey, short links, and all of that. So that reminds me, I'm going to be dropping my link in the description of this video. Please hit the link and subscribe to this particular site, and then you'll be amazed at what you are getting in return. So click on the link that I'm going to be dropping in the description of the video and then sign up and then start earning money. All you need to do is just have internet on your phone. You don't need to deposit anything. You don't need to do any deposition, anything. I've shown you my history of my conversion. You can see, can you see right here? It says these files have been added. Okay, and you can see my balance has reduced from 2,447 to 2,433. So that's how it does. Okay, so once you do that, and then you can see my claim for the day as it was 0 before, now is now 7. Okay, so that's how you do this, guys. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please, once again, like the video, make comments. If you have questions, I'm going to answer them, and hit the notification bell, and then start earning for yourself as well. Thank you for watching.